Today, I have an amazing, life-changing opportunity to share with you. The Maastricht University Scholarships 2025 in the Netherlands. This is a fully funded program that allows international students to pursue master's degrees at one of Europe's top universities. The Netherlands, with its beautiful canals, welcoming culture, and world-renowned education system, is waiting to welcome you. Imagine studying at a university that values innovation and diversity while building a brighter future for yourself, all without worrying about financial burdens. So, grab a notepad, sit back, and stay with me as we dive deep into the details of this opportunity, including scholarship benefits, eligibility criteria, step-by-step application process, deadlines, and of course, I'll share the official link to apply at the end of the video. Hello, dreamers, and welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media. This is your trusted channel where we bring you life-changing opportunities to study, work, and explore beyond borders. I'm thrilled to share an amazing, fully funded opportunity that could transform your academic and professional life. The Maastricht University Scholarships 2025 in the Netherlands. Yes, you heard that right. A fully funded scholarship that covers everything you need to pursue a master's degree in one of Europe's most prestigious universities. Imagine studying in the heart of the Netherlands, surrounded by history, culture, and innovation, all while building the foundation for your future. Before we dive into the details, I just want to say, if studying abroad has always been your dream, this could be your chance. Stay with me for the next 20 minutes as I walk you through what this scholarship covers, who is eligible, how to apply, important deadlines, and why Maastricht University is the perfect destination for your studies. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll share the official application link so you can start your journey today. Let's get started. What is the Maastricht University Scholarship? The Maastricht University Scholarship is also known as the Holland High Potential Scholarship. It's specifically designed for talented international students from outside the European Economic Area, EEA, who aspire to pursue a master's degree at Maastricht University for the academic year 2025 to 2026. What sets this scholarship apart is that it's fully funded, meaning it covers all your expenses, allowing you to focus entirely on your education and personal growth. Scholarship benefits. The scholarship offers tuition fees, full waiver for your program, living expenses, monthly stipend of €12,350 for a one-year program or €23,750 for two-year programs. Health insurance, full coverage for medical and liability insurance throughout your stay. Visa costs, support for visa application fees. Travel expenses, financial support for your journey to the Netherlands. This scholarship ensures you have everything you need to focus on your studies and make the most of your time in Maastricht. Why choose Maastricht University? Located in the beautiful city of Maastricht, this university is one of the top institutions in Europe. Here's why it's an excellent choice. Innovative education. Maastricht University is known for its problem-based learning, PBL, approach, which emphasizes collaboration, critical thinking, and real-world problem-solving. Global network. With students from over 100 countries, you'll be part of a diverse and vibrant community. World-class faculty. The university attracts some of the best professors and researchers worldwide. Strategic location. Maastricht is at the crossroads of Europe, making it easy to travel and explore neighboring countries like Germany, Belgium, and France. Eligibility criteria. You must meet the following requirements to apply for this scholarship. 1. Nationality. Be a citizen of a country outside the European Economic Area, EEA. 2. Program admission. You must apply and be admitted to a master's program at Maastricht University for the 2025 to 2026 academic year. 3. Academic excellence. Have an excellent academic record and demonstrate a strong commitment to your field of study. 4. Language proficiency. Provide proof of proficiency in English. How to apply. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose your program. Visit the Maastricht University website and select the master's program that aligns with your goals. Step 2. Apply for admission. Submit your application for your chosen program through the university's official admissions portal. Step 3. Scholarship application. Once you've applied for your program, you'll be able to apply for the scholarship. Log into the Maastricht University Scholarship portal and fill out the scholarship application form. Step 4. Submit required documents. Prepare and upload the following documents: a well-structured curriculum vitae, CV, your statement of purpose, explaining why you're applying, copies of your academic transcripts, proof of your English language proficiency, and a copy of your passport or national ID. Step 5. Final submission. Review your application thoroughly and submit it before the deadline. Important deadlines. The application deadline for the Maastricht University Scholarship is February 1st, 2025. Admissions decisions will be communicated by April 2025, so mark your calendar and start preparing today. Why this scholarship is life-changing. This scholarship is more than just financial aid. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. You'll receive a world-class education, gain exposure to international networks and career opportunities, build lifelong connections with peers and professors from around the globe, immerse yourself in a rich and diverse culture. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. Opportunities like this can change your life. The Maastricht University Scholarship is your chance to unlock your potential, expand your horizons, and take a bold step toward your dreams. If you've been searching for a way to study in Europe without worrying about finances, this is it. Don't let self-doubt or hesitation hold you back. Take the first step today. Thank you so much for tuning into Dreams Abroad Media. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing opportunities like this. Remember, the world is full of possibilities, and your dreams are within reach. Until next time, stay inspired, stay focused, and keep chasing your dreams.